So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power Share. So after many days, we are discussing about this particular stock. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have seen that the stock has entered into NSE B category, followed by it is also present in the ASM stage 4 category. So what is ASM? Additional surveillance measure. So recently we have seen many stocks have gone into ASM category. So when they go into that particular category, so they face little bit of weakness. So same thing was observed in Adani Power as well. So now after coming to a very good support region, so many people asked to make a separate technical analysis video. So we'll try to find out what are the major supports and resistances that we need to focus in the coming sessions, followed by how the volumes are increasing on a regular basis. So we'll discuss each and everything. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also join the Telegram group, because in the coming sessions, that is tomorrow itself, I'll again discuss the top 2 stocks that you need to buy if you're interested. So recently, the last week also, we have discussed 2 companies which have performed very well, and the same manner in Telegram group also, whatever the stocks we are discussing, so they have given more than 15 to 16% return in just a short span of time. So do join. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so discussing about the day-to-day wise deliveries in Adani Power. So you can see maximum, you'll see 100%, because it is in B section. So in B section, basically the deliveries won't be visible because in that intraday doesn't happen. So when intraday doesn't happen, so obviously traded quantity would not be present. So that's why 100% would be seen. So if you see the stock movement since the last 3 to 4 sessions, you can see a flat movement is observed. That is neither fall which is greater than 2%. In the same way, not a huge uptrend also was observed. So you can say 1.3 to 1.6 in that particular range. We have seen all the positive movement followed by correction. So the last session, that is on Friday, so after market orders, if you see, a huge orders were present. So a little bit of buying was seen at the last few minutes of Adani Power. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see how much volumes were present and what are the levels. Okay, so now if you see after the market has closed, if you see the orders list, you can see almost greater than 2 lakh shares are present still in the buying region, but the stock has not given that movement, but you can see volatility was present. So it has even gone to 107.90, but again it has settled near the 105.65. So clearly you can see how much quantity of shares have been added at the closing session. So Monday, definitely it's worth watching. So now let's go to charts and we'll see all the technical levels. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So you can see this is the 1-day chart of Adani Power. So you can see after traveling in the B category, we have seen a little bit of ups and downs in it. So it has tried to go up. You can see here from this region. Again, we know it has corrected after going to that particular region. So whatever the lows it is forming, it is breaking that particular lows. So same thing, but here you can see a very good pivot support is formed. That is 101.47. So it is very well obeying that. So that is very important. So whenever it has approached that particular level earlier also, it has gone up. Again, it has come to retest that particular level. So many orders, whatever you're seeing, so they are all the people who have bought those shares based on technical levels. So since it is near the support and retest, so double confirmation is present. So that's why that much amount of spike in volume is present. So 101 is going to be very crucial support that you need to remember in the coming sessions. So moving towards resistance wise, you can see important resistance is going to be 1110 and 112. So that particular region you can take as an important resistive region. So once it crosses that with good volume, so then definitely 115 followed by 121 are going to be the important zones. Okay, so we know Adani Power earlier it was at a very we can say 50-60 rupees last year itself. So huge uptrend was seen. So now only because of a few negative updates which made the stock look little weak, and after entering into ASM category, so these are the major reasons. So if any positive update comes, we know how the stocks keep rallying. So keep holding. So just once you're invested, so forget about that. At any point of time we can expect any move in these in especially Adani Group stocks. Okay, so these are all the levels. So let's go to BSE chart as well. So there we have a wide range of levels, so that will have a complete clarity. Okay, so in this particular chart, if you see the overall picture of Adani Power, so one important thing is that the 50-day exponential moving average. So it was facing the resistance there, so that is around 107. So closing above that is also going to be very important in the coming session. So that's why on Friday, after approaching that level, it has faced little bit of pressure and it has come down. So in Monday, if it crosses that, then automatically we have the 120 followed by 124 rupees region. So do focus all these levels, and any fresh entry, if you want, if you are planning or if you are willing to buy, then focus the 107 rupees level. So if it crosses that, definitely you can have a fresh entry and you can do even short term followed by swing trading. Money flow index, forgot to discuss about that. Almost it is oversold. So from oversold region, obviously little bit of pullback happens. That is common thing. Okay, happens. So definitely in that manner also you can analyze, since the stock is in completely oversold region. Okay, so further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.